Yeah, of course. So, I mean, I think maybe we'll talk about what psychological safety is to begin with. And it's really, the feeling that you are accepted for who you truly are, that you can you can ask for help, that you can put your ideas out there, that you have a human connection, and that you can actually be yourself. So that kind of feeling, that kind of belief and connection is really what's we consider psychological safety. And Google did a exhaustive study, and they're trying to find out what were the key characteristics of high performing teams. And so they identified 5 characteristics, but the number one characteristic by far was psychological safety. And so I see, as leaders, it's just so important that we do 2 things. One is that we create that sense of safety, nurture that sense of safety on our teams, and then ask the types of questions that allow the collective genius of a group of people to emerge in that like sort of protective bubble of safety, I guess. So it's as a leader, it is one of our most sacred responsibilities is to cultivate that sense of psychological safety on our teams. And it produces, the best part is, it's not only amazing for our collective or individual and collective humanity, it drives way better business performance. So it's possible to have it all.